Woof! Tight on D, let's go. So yun guys, kung nagtataka kayo saan ko nakuha yung short na to, look, ganda oh. May short siya na oversize, so parang below the knees. On Move Us, nilagay ko dito, IG nila. On Move Us, thank you. Thank you Sir Lance Apigo, thank you. Tigas, matigas, matigas. Wow! Uy! Okay, good. Takot ako dun pero good. I like that. Good. Compete lang. First time, may nakalaban tayong pinapunta niya yung mama niya. Pakita mo yung mama niya. Mabansiyan ko to. Hindi niya pa nakukuha yung pawis niya. Uy. Hey. Ay! Oh! Tagal lang natin hindi nag-one-on-one pero check mo pa rin kung ano yung advantage mo sa player. Pesky defender pero advantage ako sa height. I'm here. Make it, let's go! I got your one. Nakagat mo ba ako? Nakagat mo ako? Nakagat niya ako. Good lang. Good. Part ng competition. Good! Make it, please. You're doing this, bro. Hey, what? Hey, where? Okay. Rematch. Show him the mama. Where's the mama? Mama, say hi, mama. Another round.